Hello, scientists. It's Miss Brown. Last week we learned about building with sand. This week we are comparing soil samples at home. How are soil and sand the same? How are they different? Does all soil look the same? Where can you go to find soil? Once you find soil, collect 2 or 3 kinds. Step 2, observe each kind of soil. What does it look like and feel like? Step 3, draw and write about each kind of soil. What are some words you can use to describe your soil? How do you make your soil good for planting? Make your soil better with organic matter like banana peels or leaves. Now you're ready to plant something. The virtual science fair is coming. Think about your question. What are you interested in? What are you curious about? Think about how you will share your information. Let's take our science outdoors. Brainstorm some great ideas.
I was first inspired to go into engineering when I was in the 8th grade, and I didn't know what engineering even was at the moment. I knew I was good at math, I was good at science, and so my science teacher in the 8th grade, Mrs. Powell, pulled me to the side and said, "You really should consider going to this summer engineering camp." And it happened to be a summer engineering camp at Mississippi State University, which is my undergrad, and was for girls. I remember going to camp and learning about all the different types of engineering, from chemical engineering to civil, but it was computer engineering in particular that I was interested in because we worked with both hardware and software. We used the software to control the hardware, and I think that is something that really grasped my interest, knowing that just by a few lines of code, you can do so much to program something.
Thank you for joining me.